Hey beauties, my name is Chanel and today I'll be showing you guys up on this gorgeous hair that I have on today. If you'd like to know more specs and deets about it, then go ahead and keep on watching. Also be sure to hit the bell right next to the subscription button so you don't miss out on any videos like these. So first thing first, this gorgeous wig is by Annabelle. You guys, super gorgeous hair, can you not tell? It is the color number 1B, I believe gray. So yeah, it's the color 1B gray, guys. The length is 16 inches and the texture of this hair is obviously straight hair, but it is Remy, guys. I honestly feel like you can definitely make this hair kind of lighter with some purple shampoos. That was something that I want to think about doing, but maybe not. I'm not sure. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. You guys let me know how you guys love it. But this is just a wig with a closure, and it has two combs on here on the sides, a comb in the back along with adjustable straps. I had a little bit of baby hairs. I went ahead and cut it to make it a little bit shorter. I haven't gotten no shedding with this hair at all. I thought that this hair would definitely feel like dry and brittle at the ends, especially because of the color, but I'm here to tell you that it does not feel that out, no way whatsoever. I did go ahead and co-wash this hair before putting it on, and it did well wet, no shedding at all while it was in a sink. I've heard great things about Annabelle hair before. Having to experience it right now is just super bomb. But one thing I just don't like was that I guess the wig was sat into the package for so long that it had this little puff type of look, and I think you could kind of tell. I tried to flatten it out with my curling iron, and I just used the barreling iron to just flatten that part out. I still think it could be a little bit flatter, but who knows. This is just a closure wig, like, so there's no lace front. It's just a regular closure wig, so you are limited in a sense of parting space. So you get right just about here, and then the parting space goes all the way back, and I say it's about 3 inches straight on the mark. The one thing is about this wig is that when you slide it back, you definitely have to put out your own baby hairs towards the sides here, because there is no lace going on, because this is just a closure type of wig. So that's one thing about closures. It's so easy to manage versus lace fronts, but however, you don't have all that slayage happening once the wind blows. So you definitely want to make sure you pull out some of your baby hairs out and just kind of slay it to play out the part. The lace color was actually really great. It was a tint brown, like I want to say about light brown. I cut it out all the way to the lowest capacity, and then I went ahead and applied my foundation, only because you definitely could go ahead and tint out your lace with the Roots fabric dye, like I always show you guys. I'll go ahead and link that product down below, because that is definitely much needed for lace. But yeah, other than that, you guys, she's definitely a beauty. You get two combs on the side, a comb in the back, and along with a comb on the top and adjustable strap. One thing about Annabelle's wigs is that they do have like two bendable tabs here that kind of holds onto your wigs, just in case if you want to pop those combs out on the sides. So that's actually really great, and I did take note of that. For one main thing that I know lots of you guys want to know is how much it retails for, and this gorgeous hair retails for at the price of $119, so that's roughly $120. That's the base rate, you guys. So the longer the length you would like, the more you would pay, and the shorter you'd like, the less you would pay. I definitely think this was definitely cute in a bob, you know what I mean? Like, she would look so cute in like a blunt bob. I'll go have all the links down below, because she is definitely a winner. I think she looks definitely like, I don't even know, like she's definitely giving me like a bluish gray. I love it. I really do love it against my skin tone. So if you like this color, smash the like buttons. Again, you guys, the link will be listed down below. Annabelle did amazing on the hair, so if you are actually looking for a gorgeous gray ombre type wig, this is the way to go, sis. The link will be down below. Go ahead and pick up yours right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And like always, till next time, later.